Here's Moaning Steve, city cat, with an alarm going off. Getting his money. What you? How much is you spending?
I know what's happening with this, eh?
What is it? Down a bit?
No, I'm getting out bill money.
Oh! I thought you'd come up to get your money. It's a money. Okay. Yeah, the alarm's going off. Bloody nuisance, isn't it? Noisy.
You walk under it.
Well, I'd rather not.
No, you know, it goes right through your head.
Yeah, but
you
why
can't
the...
walk under it. It's
Why the...
Tesco's.
Oh, it's Tesco's, is it?
Yeah, they ain't turn it on or off.
Wow. They've got some sort of a balloon thing there. Some sort of balloon thing there.
That's what I say, you're getting out late, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh dear. That wind's bad, isn't it?
I'm about 15 down already, yeah, another backing.
Oh, right.
Very bad.
What? Oh dear. Hold on.
The roaring no, it's Mario and his mate just walked in.
Oh, I paused
So when
it.
you get on our ones or not, I
Oh,
don't know.
no. I paused it so that they didn't hear it so much on there.
I say whether they're going to be on
She's
our
gonna
machine,
fall over.
I don't know. Right?
It's going to fall over in a minute. What's happening? Any trouble?
No.
Oh, look, it's...
No police around.
No, well, they're only around when trouble starts. Sometimes they come, don't they? But, no, nothing much happening. Okay, well, City Cat is one of Steve. Oh. Nothing much happening here. In we go before he comes. Good night all.